Neck tight, upper back tense, posture already defeated? Let's fix that before the day takes over. This 5-minute flow untangles your spine, releases shoulder tension, and brings your posture back to life. What you'll feel by the final stretch? Relief, clarity, and control. Exactly when you need it most. We carry the weight of our worries in our neck, that lingering tightness. It's tension you didn't even realize you were holding on to. Sit or stand tall, shoulders relaxed. Gently tilt your head to the right, ear toward shoulder. Hold for a few breaths, then switch sides. Repeat slowly, keeping your breath steady. The neck has over 20 muscles, and most of us only use a handful correctly. I promise, when you release the tension, your energy will flow more freely. Mentally and physically, tilt a little deeper. Keep the opposite shoulder relaxed. Do you feel that stretch run down your traps? If not, slow your breath and lengthen the tilt. Your head's light already. Now let's release that upper back, one shoulder at a time. This is the untold hero of your posture. You use these muscles typing, texting, even holding a coffee cup. But when was the last time you showed them love? Extend your right arm across your chest. Use your left arm to gently pull it in closer. Keep your right shoulder relaxed and down. Feel the stretch through the back of your shoulder. This stretch preps your shoulders for the real opener coming in just a few minutes. Add a wrist flex to feel it travel deeper down the arm. Feeling tight in the shoulder joint? That's okay. That's exactly why we're here. Right side unlocked. Now let's even it out. Same cues, opposite side. You're about to twist open space in your spine with the next move, and it hits deeper than you think. Breathe into the space behind your shoulder blade. Feel it widen. Is the left side more tender? That's where your tension hides. Breathe through it. Now that both shoulders are released, let's thread through and open from within. This stretch clears up between the shoulder blades pressure most of us mistake for normal. But once you release it, you'll wonder how you've ever lived with it. Start in tabletop position, slide your right arm under your left, palm facing up. Rest your shoulder and temple to the mat. Keep the hips stacked over the knees. Here's a fun fact. This stretch taps into the thoracic spine where rotational stiffness builds over time. Try reaching your left arm forward for an even deeper opening. Do you feel the twist unraveling tension through your rib cage? That's a sign your breath is finally moving freely. That was the reset your back's been craving. Now let's rotate the other side. Same cues, switch arms. After this, we'll stand up and stretch taller than we've been moving all morning. Here's a little challenge. Add a gentle push through the supporting hand to rotate even further. Is one side tighter? That's the imbalance we're fixing right now. Now your spine's unlocked, time to open your chest. This stretch is for every hour you spent hunched yesterday. You don't have to carry yourself like that anymore. Interlace your fingers behind your back, roll your shoulders back and down, pull your knuckles down toward the floor. Lift the heart and lengthen through the front of the chest. This move unlocks your breath, and in 60 seconds you'll feel the posture shift permanently. I promise you'll walk taller, breathe easier, and feel more confident through your upper body today. Fam, try add a slight forward fold while keeping the chest open. Feel that stretch ripple from the collarbone down your biceps. That's alignment returning. That just opened your heart space. Let's end by lengthening the sides of your body. This is where posture meets power. It's not just a stretch. It's a reminder that you're allowed to take up space. Stand tall, feet hip width apart. Reach both arms overhead. Lean to the right while grounding the left foot. Switch sides halfway. Side bending activates deep core stabilizers most stretches ignore. Here's a challenge. Keep the opposite arm reaching. Feel the stretch from hip to fingertip. Do you feel lighter, looser, and taller? If not, breathe deeper. You just told your body, we're done shrinking. We're done slouching. We're done carrying yesterday into today. That message matters, but it needs to be reinforced. If you spend hours sitting, your body needs more than 5 minutes. That's why I created the 3-day reset, a free plan to keep your posture strong, your spine open, and your body pain-free all day. Click the link now before the old patterns creep back in. You've already shifted something. Let's lock it in together.